Hello beautiful artists, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Imen. I'm giving a tutorial drawing video for kids and beginners. Just before we start, I want to say thank you so much for who subscribed to my channel. We will arrive soon 300 subscribers. I'm so excited about this number. Thank you so much that you like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll put the button here, I think so, from here, and you can follow me in Instagram and Facebook if you like that. And yeah, let's go. Guys, just before we start, I wanna explain something. I'm sorry if you see me have a problem in saying words and talk, because I'm really facing a problem. It's not only a problem, it's a big problem. I have like we say we call it here phobia. I don't know in English what we call it, but I have a phobia to talk in front camera. I'm facing the death. I'm dying. Did you know, guys? I don't know. I'm so afraid to talk in front camera like this. I don't know why. And I'm alone in the room. It's look like I get crazy. I talk to myself. I don't know. So guys, sorry if I talk, if I say, sorry, you see, if I say wrong words or I can't speeches, I think so, to speak it. Okay, sorry guys. So yeah, let's go. Let's.
A few moments later.
Let's start our video. So for our tutorial today is how to draw a bunny rabbit. In this month I'm doing a challenge. In these 30 days I will upload a video every single day. My videos are for beginners, so for me to start with kids drawing and that video to learn how to draw for kids is the best advice I can give you to start to learn with. That's why we will start with animals drawing. Some people will think we will draw like this or this, but no. We are not a pro yet, so we are not in that level yet. So we'll start draw like this and this. My drawing are so simple and easy and so cute. You'll like that. So guys, don't forget subscribe like we say. I will put the button here, I think so, from here, and you can follow me in Instagram and Facebook. And let's go to our studio.
Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned, what is real and fabricated, what is wrong, what is my problem, what can I get out of this world that I created, fighting the storms in my head, don't know where I have been, I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands, shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like I don't know my name, and I don't want to live this way. I don't wanna keep on wasting life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine, and we back.
Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the rain and rain, I turn nothing into something. No more dealing with their assumptions, cause I do what I gotta do and I know, can't nobody do it like me. All they do is judge me for who I might be. Maybe if they took some time to pick my mind, to see that I'm cooler than lemons and iced tea. All I wanna do is live it up with the homies. Everybody really talking as if they know me, but I guess I gotta face it, I'm so tired of being faceless.
I don't wanna keep on wasting life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, faceless. Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned. What is real and fabricated? What is wrong? What is my problem? What can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting storms in my head, don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands. Shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like I don't know my name. And I don't want to live this way. I don't wanna keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Yeah, unknown brain, Marvin Divine, and we back.
Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the rain and rain. I turn nothing into something. No more dealing with their assumptions. Cause I do what I gotta do and I know, can't nobody do it like me. All they do is judge me for who I might be. Maybe if they took some time to pick my mind to see that I'm cooler than lemons and iced tea. All I wanna do is live it up with the homies. Everybody really talking as if they know me, but I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of being faceless.
I don't wanna keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep.
Guys, we are at the end of the video. I wish this tutorial was helpful, and thank you so much for your time to see my video, and you at the end of the video to see me now. I talk to you. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and like we say every time and time. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram or Facebook, and yeah, see you next video. Bye bye.